Okay guys, welcome back for another day of recapping video. So today is gonna be recap day. Yes, my bad man. And this is my first trade yesterday. My first trade yesterday was go perfectly, and my first TP I was put like over here. I put like at 2 projection, and another TP I put like at 4 minor projection. So I just want to let you know, just one guy to let you know is because I look at 5-minute time frame right here. This one, right? Okay, I see because I catch there is a sweep candlesticks. It sweep and then okay, I think it might be going down to retest a fair value gap right here, and it did exactly what it doing. And yeah, and it was so perfect and clean for me, and clean. So as you can see right here, so what I look for entry is I noticed market is gonna go down, so I moved to like 1 minute time frames. 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. What do you see? Oh my god, what is this? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Oh no, this is second trade. Right here. Remember guy, when they make higher high, lower low, and then go higher high, and then go lower, okay, and then yeah, as you guys can see, then it's go lower, and the candlesticks has closed below here, below this all the blocks, but and then it put the wick sweep right here, but I don't believe it because the candles has swept over here already, and it already break order block right here and close below here, and then sweep. It's like they're doing market like manipulating me, but it's already happened to me once, so I remember. So yeah, I just when the market has like come up and retest the order block right here. Good block. Wait a minute. This one. Order block right here. I immediately entry, sell, and then put my stop loss at the last highs, and then the market just go lower and take my first profit TP, and then come back and retake the fair value gap over here, and then going more down to take another TP, which is at minus 4 projections. And here, yes, so yeah, I make around $14 from this, and you guys can learn from this. What you guys can learn from this guy, first of all, look at the higher time frame, and then go lower time frame, and then make sure like you just make sure you have like 3 confirmations. But sometimes you cannot blame your strategy, because sometimes market can go everywhere they want, but most of the time they will follow your strategy, they will go by your strategy. But sometimes no, sometimes even you have an A+ setup, it's still gonna be like hitting your stop loss at any point. But what you guys can do is just to learn from that, and then if that happen again, you make sure it won't happen again. And if it happen, it's okay. And then it will happen again and again, and you guys can learn from it. And then you guys cannot be like go, and then you guys start losing. The first of all in trading is just you have to make a lot of mistakes, and then you learn from it. You journal it, and then yeah. Okay, so for another ones is right here. Is it like a mistake for me? Basically, I just look at 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame right here. I see it trending up right now, so I say, and am I looking for buy? And then I go to 1-minute time frame. I see there is a, give me a second. I see there's a consolidating here, consolidations, and it's pushed down, and then I click buy over here, which is bullshit, because you know consolidation, right? Consolidation is mean like like when the markets go around here, and then you guys just click the buy right here. I mean, when they take the low, they will go higher. But this, I don't want you guys to do this yet, because even if it we hit the lower and you expect it to go higher, you have to confirm if it break the highest first. This highest in the middle of the consolidation first. But this, I'm just mistaking. I didn't wait for the confirmation if it break below it or not. So yeah, in up to hitting stop loss, I lost $1 with it, because for me, I'm not sure with the trade that I took, so I put the very low risk, so it cost me just $1. If I win, I should win $2, and that's it. And I'm okay for losing $1. So yeah, that's what you can learn from here, and that's it, guys. If anything you want to ask, just comment below on the sections, and then you should ask everything. And I'm planning to do video to teach everyone how to trade right now, like teaching how IVG, break a block, order block, consolidating, because this is what I know, and projections. And well, I know another one's like Fibonacci, and that's it. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a good day, and yes, thank you for watching.